Roll number 21 MI33004.
I am Indra Kumar Gupta and my roll number is 21AE1004.
Hello everyone, my name is Krish Agarwal and my roll number is 21NE10018.
Shreya Reddy and my roll number is 21CE10032.
Hello everyone, I am Sumedh Deshkar and my roll number is 21MI33023.
We are aware of the situation of COVID-19 in which we are in. There is need to overcome it. The government has initiated a program to maintain the social distancing. Despite these measures, the people are not following the proper distance in a crowd and in many more areas. So there is need to check on this. So here comes our project into rescue, the COVID disciplinarian robot. It will help us to maintain a proper social distancing. If it sees there is a violation of the protocol, it will alert them and make sure that there is a proper social distance between two people.
I'm going to tell you about the various connections that we made. Let us start with the ultrasonic sensor. The green wire connects the ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno board, and the red wire connects the VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the 5V pin, and the orange wire connects the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor to pin number 3, and the yellow wire connects the echo pin to pin number 2. Now let us look at the PIR sensor. The white wire connects the PIR sensor to the ground pin, and brown wire connects the PIR sensor to 5V pin, and black wire connects it to digital pin 11. Then let us look at the connections of the buzzer. The buzzer is connected to ground and digital pin number 13. Then coming to the motor driver, the line 1 of the motor driver is connected to digital pin 7, line 2 is connected to digital pin 8, line 3 to pin 9, and line 4 to pin 10. Then ENA is connected to pin 5 and ENB is connected to pin 6. The output pins are connected to the motors. The VCC and ground pin are connected to the battery. The ground pin and the 5V pin are connected to the Arduino Uno board, and the battery is connected to a switch.
So this is a circuit diagram of our project. We have ultrasonic sensor. It consists of transmitter and receiver. We have connected the trick pin with the digital pin 3 and echo pin with digital pin 2, which will measure the time duration between the transmission and receiving of ultrasonic waves. And then it calculates the distance. And there is also a passive infrared sensor called PIR sensor, which detects the disturbance in infrared emitted by the living beings. We have connected the single pin of passive infrared sensor with digital pin 11. So when it detects the living being, the signal of the passive infrared goes high. For warning, we have used buzzer that we connected to the digital pin number 13. For motion along the queue, we have attached the 4 gear motors and we will tune their speed and direction using L298M motor driver. We also connected the speed controlling pins of motor driver with digital pin 5 and digital pin 6 and other input pins with digital pins 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you.
This is the code that we uploaded in Arduino. Here we declare different variables that we needed. We declared some variable to store digital pins, some variables to store values and timestamp of events. For some variables we have given some initial values. This is the void setup part, which will only run once at the beginning of the program. Here we set these pins as input pin and these pins as output pin, and assign analog value for some speed controlling pin. We set the serial monitor at data rate 9600 bit per second. Here is the while loop function which will repeat over and over again. So this will turn on the motor so the boat will start moving. Then it will turn on the ultrasonic sensor by setting trick pin high for 10 microseconds and read the echo pin to measure the time duration of receiving wave in variable name duration. Using general formula of distance is equal to speed into time and dividing it by 2. As waves are going and coming back, it calculates distance. Now it reads input of passive infrared. If input is high, that is living being detected, and distance is less than 100, it will check the condition whether start is equal to 0 or not. Start is equal to 0 is like when boat detects the first person. Then it will store the timestamp of event in variable name start, and again when the boat detects another person, so now the value of start is not 0, so it will first turn off the motors. Then it stores the timestamp of events in variable name finished. Now it stores the difference between both the events in elect. Using velocity of boat and time duration, it calculates the distance between the two people. If distance between the two people is less than 100 centimeters, that is violating the COVID protocol, it plays the buzzer for 10 seconds, and after the boat will again start moving and also update the start variable with the latest timestamp.
We are going to show you the demonstration.
Okay, so now we are going to be a cube, 1 meter distance. Distance is less. That's why it has stopped and it is buzzing right now. And it moves on. Now we are going to demonstrate standing far apart.
So this is how our COVID disciplinarian robot works. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I can truly be moody.